Alrighty, it's about 3:30, quarter to 4, and finally we're getting a little bit of a pullback. So here's that shooting star, open kind of flat, and it's pulling back. We could look for probably 524 tomorrow. It's an aggressive pullback. I mean, there's really nothing here telling us that people are blowing up or looking to run or what have you. So it could just enter a consolidation, trade off a little bit, maybe ease its way down. All that's fine with me. I won't chase it. I'll let it do what it's got to do that which it has to do, and just see how we make out tomorrow. So that's about it for the day. Let's see what we got to look forward to tomorrow as far as earnings and snooze. Dink. Oh, we have the GDP report. That's probably why it's a very subdued market, because nobody's really getting involved ahead of that report, that GDP. And then Friday you have personal income and personal spending. So these are some good insights into the economy. And they've been known to move the market, so everybody's just sitting back waiting to see what transpires. And as far as earnings, I mean, I guess you got a lot of guys after the bell today. Coca-Cola. Oh, there you go. Coca-Cola beat. Lots of people drinking Coke. Nothing like a little poison to chase down that COVID. Oh, eBay. eBay's coming out tonight. That's interesting. Look at the beat on GM. Grubhub. I wonder how these guys are going to do. Well, I guess people are really not rushing into the restaurants. I'm pretty active in the restaurants when I can get into one. I'm not too hung up about it anymore. I had my vaccination. How much more am I going to do? Coca-Cola and McDonald's ripping. What a health-conscious country we are. Wow, it's a big day, man. Tons of shit coming out today. I mean, I don't want to roll through it for tomorrow either. I mean, there's tons of stuff, but you can go to tradingeconomics.com, go into markets and hit earnings, and boom, there you have it. You could get the information. So, let's take a quick look at AMC, since one of my free folk brought it up as a joke. Oh, she broke the where bullish line. Where does she go from here? Well, and she even broke this low right here, that pivot low. That low is, oh no, she didn't, 33.74. That's the next move. It should bounce somewhere around there, might get some resistance. If it breaks through that 33.74, then I do declare you're looking at 29.40 or maybe 28.91, that range. But she's right on top of some good support right here. Let's see if it bounces off of that. Based on the momentum, I mean, I fear that this baby's a wrap. It's a wrap. I'm going to shoot over to Matt Core's channel and see what excuses he has for the move down, or what motivational speeches he has for buying more at this price. So that's it, man. Hit the bell and hit the subscribe and hit the likes, because it goes a long way. I'll be streaming tomorrow, probably about 9:16. I'll do an early morning meeting, and we'll post that. So it pays to hit that subscribe and hit that bell, and it helps me out when you hit the like. Tell a friend, hit up the PayPal or the Patreon, and help me build this channel, and we can make some noise. So that's it. Remember, I know I say it time and time again. I'm going to keep saying it. You got to be calm and cool. Do a little meditation. You should be at peace when you're trading. And good luck with your trades.